Hi, I'm Jess Brenton, and today I'll take you around my windy Wellington neighbourhood to show you some of the different production and inventory strategies organisations can have and how they relate to products in our day-to-day lives. There's 4 strategies we'll cover: make to stock, assemble to order, make to order, and design to order. And first up, we're at my place, and I'm absolutely starving, so let's go inside. The beloved pantry. In here, all the food is a good example of a make to stock or MTS production strategy. This is where companies like Woolies produce their goods in anticipation of demand and hold them as finished goods inventory. This means that they're available for immediate delivery when a customer places an order. So the company processes the raw materials, so the beans and the sauce, to assemble the final product. It's then stored in warehouses or on supermarket shelves until a customer comes in and plucks it from the shelf or gets it delivered to their doorstep. With an MTS production strategy, high volumes of the product can be created, but it also means that the product needs to be standardized. So you're going to get the same can of beans every time. With this, there's a high investment costs for finished goods inventory, so it is a risk to the business. You need to make sure that you get that inventory levels right. Now, Mum always says that there's food at home, but I'd much prefer McDonald's, so let's go. This is way better than what Mum's got at home, that's for sure. So McDonald's is a good example of an assemble to order or ATO production strategy in which the products, aka my food, is assembled based on the customer's demand from a set of sub-assemblies and components. So a company holds the components, so the cooked burger patties, the cut lettuce, in inventory as work in process inventory, and then when a customer order comes in, the company is able to mix and match the various components in order to create various different types of products. For the production of the organisation, this means that there is still a relatively fast delivery time because all of the components are already there, they just need to be put together, so hence the fast food. It also means that there's a wider degree of variation and customisation when compared to make to stock, and there is still investment required because they need that work in process inventory already there. Now I'm going to tuck into this and then maybe we can go enjoy the day. Before we go, cars are a perfect example of a make to order or MTO production strategy. This is where the production process is only activated once a customer order comes in. So the company, like BMW, holds all of the raw material inventory and then begins to manufacture and assemble the product once a customer order comes in. This means there's a higher degree of customization, so the customers can choose the interior colors and all the features specific to their needs. It means that there is a longer fulfillment time as the customers have to wait for the process to start, and also means that there are lower production volumes possible. So usually the products are made in smaller batches or sometimes even one at a time. Enough of that, let's go. So for the last stop of the day, we're here at my local playground enjoying some of the sunshine, with playgrounds and large construction projects being a great example of design to order production strategies. This is where the design and manufacturing of the product doesn't start until a customer order comes in. So say the council requests a new playground. It then works with the suppliers in order to design exactly what that looks like, then orders the raw materials, and then assembly and manufacturing starts, with the final playground being delivered here. With this, DTO means that there is a high degree of customization. The customers can get exactly what they want. However, it does mean that they need to wait for it. The customer wait times are longer because they have to start right from the beginning. It also means that there are lower production volumes, usually one at a time, but the investment in inventories, work in process inventories, and raw materials is a lot lower. So now that you've had a wee tour of the neighbourhood and you've got out in this fresh air, hopefully you've also learned something. I'm off to actually enjoy the sunshine and work off some of that knackers. See you later.